Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another cleaning video, part 2 from the previous video. If you didn't see the other video of me cleaning, go ahead and check out the link down below. I have it down there if you want to watch part 1 of my cleaning video. This video was kind of taken in different days, maybe 2-3 days, because I was in and out at home. I had other errands to run, so I couldn't do everything all in one day. But nevertheless, we got the house cleaned. So if you want to keep watching me clean the house, then keep watching and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a video every week, so press that notification button so you can be notified every time I post a video. Let's get into cleaning. I forgot to take a before of the video, but this is our guest room and it's nice and clean now. And just for video purposes, I kept this here, but I'm actually gonna wash these after my first load of laundry is done, and then I'll put all this to wash, and then I'll do our bedroom as well. But just for the video, this is what it looks like in here. Nice and clean. Next room to do is my daughter's room. She doesn't really come in here much, so all I have to do is vacuum, maybe dust down the tables, wipe them down, fold that, fix the bed a little bit. But yeah, she's not really ever in here. And I do have to do her closet as well. I have to hang all these, unbox these, all these clothes on the top. We're waiting until we get a dresser, and all those clothes would go in the dresser. But for now, it just looks like this. So all this will need to be hung up, and these need to be unboxed. The carpets have been stained from the previous owner, so I've tried everything to get rid of these stains. We had it in the living room as well, and we just decided to rip out the carpet. But in here, I don't want to rip out the carpet, so for now, we just have it like this until we have the money to replace the carpets, because our bedroom as well needs it. And I've been scrubbing and everything, nothing works. So if you have an idea or a hack for me to clean these out, please let me know. It'll save us some money. We won't have to buy a new carpet, but if not, we'd have to just buy new carpet and that'll be fine as well. And I already cleaned both bathrooms the other day. I put these in a washer. I cleaned the toilet, I cleaned the shower, I cleaned the sinks. So I already did this and I forgot to record it. And I did unbox the boxes that were here, got rid of those. Did laundry. I just need to fold the laundry. And the other thing I do need to do is wipe down these mirrors because they're disgusting. I haven't done that yet. But everything else I've already pretty much did. So yeah. This bathroom's nice and clean. Our bathroom is nice and clean as well. So I scrubbed down the shower so it's a lot cleaner and better. So yes, I have a lot of laundry to fold right now. And then also all the clothes that are in boxes that I need to unbox as well. And then there's another load of laundry that's gonna be getting washed that will also need to be folded as well. So it's just like a never ending of mountains of laundry every day. So I'm gonna get into this. Okay, so laundry is nice and folded. And she wanted to help, and that's her pile right there. So thank you for helping.
Thank you for helping.
And now I just gotta put all this away. So I'm gonna do that. So right now I'm just doing the laundry soap into here. And I just put my lotions and sprays here for now. We're in the laundry room. And I switched the towels to be in here because they were originally in this cabinet, and I just put the bags in there. And then here is our cleaning supplies. Some Febreze spray, some candles. This was all up there, but I wanted to make use of this and I had no idea how to, so I just did that, I guess. I don't know. It might be a weird place to have it in a laundry room, but it is what it is, I guess. And here I have all my paper towels, napkins. I still have more napkins in the guest room closet because it's like the party napkins for the birthday parties, and then toilet paper all down here. every time I go to the 99-cent store, I try to pick up some paper towels and toilet paper because you never know. Everybody's gonna go crazy again and it's gonna be out of stock. So I gotta stock up myself. So I'm just letting that fully drip everything out. So I guess I'll do it like this for now. See how this works out for us. And so whatever was left in there, I just added some water and I'm gonna pour it into the toilet. Supposedly it makes the room smell good when you flush. I've tried it maybe twice and it goes away quickly in there. But there's still some soap in there and I don't want to waste it, so I just added some water and I'm just gonna throw it into the toilets. Okay, I'm gonna start hanging some of these clothes up. These are waiting until we get a dresser. We need a dresser so we can put those in there, as well as these boxes and everything in these shoes. I gotta get the, what's it called, the shoe bench in the garage to put that in, and then that way these could be put away nicely and not like this. That way I could use this for something else. But yeah, time to put these clothes away. For now, I just hung up this much for now, and then I'll figure out a place for these, because the shelf, I can't even really reach up there, so if I put any more up there, it's gonna be even harder to reach. And actually some of the stuff might be too big for her anyways. Some of the clothes in these boxes, I think they're, when she gets a little bigger, like 4T, 5T type of clothing, so I can't really even put those out yet anyways. But yeah, for now, this will do, I guess. It's a little cleaner, it's off the floor at least.